Hello, Shane McCusker here, Intelligent Software. Welcome to a short video about recruitment software. Now, this happens to be something I know a bit about because I've been developing recruitment software for recruitment agencies for about 10 years now. And very often we get asked the question from a new prospective customer, I just want a simple recruitment software system. Well, actually what they're looking for is a complicated recruitment software system, but a system that is user-friendly and is easy to use and is simple to use, and a system that doesn't get in the way of doing recruitment. Now, I actually think that's quite a low threshold to cross. I actually think that they should be looking for a recruitment software system that enables them to work in a better way, that enables them to make more placements and increase the turnover of the business and employ more staff and make more money and be more profitable, and all the things that businesses are set up to do. So today's video is going to look very briefly at what recruitment software is and how a complicated system can be made simple and do useful things. So let's start off with the candidate database. What is a candidate database? It stores information about your candidates, like, for example, CV information, contact details, address information, files and associated with them, skills, all their contact details, all the information you have about them. It also should store all your contact information. So this is the CRM aspect of the system, all your communication with the outside world, whether it be through email, through text message, through social media, even telephone systems can be linked into recruitment software nowadays, so you can monitor all the ingoing and outgoing traffic within your organization. It's not just candidates, however. You've also got the client side of your business. So all the information going into your organization with regards to maybe business development, all the vacancies you've got coming in. There's a staff aspect to this as well. Now, the staff within the companies is actually a database in its own right. All their contact details, your relationships with them, who they are, what they do, all your communication. The big aspect of the client side, however, is the vacancies that you're working on. All the job titles, descriptions, salary information, all your notes, all your negotiation going on to get those vacancies on board. And of course, once you create a vacancy on an internal system, you want to get it out to external systems. You want to post it on job boards, social media sites. Probably most importantly, you want to get it onto your own website, because that's going to be the front door to your business where candidates can apply. When a candidate applies, you want to get their CV information, all their contact details. You may even want to ask them questions that specifically relate to a vacancy to qualify them for the job. You want to be able to check that they're not already on the database in some other form. You want to be able to email them automatically so that they can get an acknowledgement and a response. You want to contact people within your organization. This information all goes through into your database system. CV parsing enables you to extract information from the CV automatically, and it all feeds into your applicant tracking system, your ATS. Now, ATS is some people refer to an ATS, meaning a recruitment information management system. An ATS is just one component of the information management system in your business. You've also got all the other people going into it, whether they be you search your candidate database and find candidates, referrals, people you find on social media sites, anywhere else that candidates can come into the system. Goes into the ATS, a long list becomes a short list. You contact candidates and you start working through the process. You prepare CVs, you arrange interviews. Hopefully you get to the stage where you're going to offer somebody a job, arrange contracts, bookings, onboarding, billing, payroll, all the different aspects of getting that person through the pipeline and successfully being employed and recruited within an organization. This, however, is only part of the system, because you want to put a layer on top of that. Diary management, all your reporting, your key performance indicators, all your pipeline information. All this goes together to give you a better view of what's going on within your business as a whole. But what have we got here? Ultimately, what we've got is an electronic filing cabinet, a place to store information. You want it to be able to do much more than just store information. You want to be able to extract value from it. You want a system which will actually improve the way you recruit. So what does that mean? You need to be able to spot opportunities within this information. It's not just about storing, it's about doing something with it. You need to get visibility. You need to know what to do next. Not what you did last week, but what I have to do this week, what I have to do right now. Where are the opportunities to do things? I want a system that will actually say, look, here's a candidate you need to speak to now because of this reason. I want a system that gives us a story to tell. that suggests things to the recruiter to enable them to work in the best practice methods, to use the best way of working, and to spot opportunities they otherwise would miss. Ultimately, you want a system that works for you, not the other way around, and you want a system that enables you to make more placements. This is the key to it. This is the key to having a simple system, is having a user interface that wraps around all this clever technology to present this information to your consultants in the easiest and most intuitive way. Think of Google. Google is a massively complicated information management system, but you just type in something. Think of the user interface. How simple is it? You just type in whatever you want, it gets you results. That's what you want your recruitment processes to be like. Automatic, intuitive, easy to use, minimal. However, you need to surround it by more than just software. You need a whole system around that, so you need to include training, so your staff and you know how to use it and get the most out of it. It needs to be ongoing. It needs to be inclusive in the deal that you're doing with your service provider. You need an IT infrastructure that is reliable and fast and adaptable to your needs. Everybody's different in terms of what they want. You want support, so that if anything goes wrong, you can immediately get somebody on the phone who can help and do something productive right there and then. You want to deal with people that are helpful and friendly and local and will work with you in a way that helps your business, not just about with software, but your whole business. You want somebody who will be at the forefront of innovation, to develop new ways of working, so that if new technology becomes available, as it does every day, that they'll be on the ball and be able to integrate with that immediately, so that you can get access to the best and the cutting edge stuff that other people can't get access to, your competitors. You want a company that's solid financially, so it's not going to disappear overnight, obviously. And you want a way that you can work with a partner to develop your business through an implementation process. So if you're implementing a system, think of all the data that needs to be transferred, whether it be an existing database or emails or a big folder full of CVs or whatever your information happens to be. You need to work out how to get from there into this tidy, managed state. You need to have all your setup done. You need to have all your training in place before go live. You need to have that implementation process causing minimum disruption to your business. You need consultation and advice, so that you're talking to somebody who actually understands recruitment and can implement a system for you. And ultimately you need this all tied together into a package that costs a reasonable amount of money. Like, for example, the price of a cup of coffee a day. That's the sort of price recruitment software now costs. So you're getting an awful lot of value for a relatively small cost. This is what we do at Intelligent Software. If you're interested in looking at your information management systems, you may have a wonderful system at the moment, but you think to yourself, let's benchmark it and see how good it really is. It costs nothing for a telephone call. Give me a call at any time, or indeed any of the team at Intelligent Software. We'd be absolutely delighted to talk to you. We can explain what we do, but really we'll talk about your business. What do you want to do? Is it about getting better candidates? Is it about getting better clients? Is it about growing your business? Is it about developing new ways to recruit? Take advantage of technology and how it's changing. Give us a call at any time. All my contact details are on our website, intel-sw.com. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to work with you and try and improve your business, make more placements, grow your business, make more money. You'll buy more license for Intelligent Software. That's how we work here. We partner with our client companies for a long time, and we really do try and help them improve their businesses. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll talk very soon. Bye.